Hello, prospective parents. The following video will take you step by step through the application process. To begin, you will need to log into the school website. Go ahead and type sgps.org into your browser's search bar, then hit enter. Once you find yourself on our page, hover over the Admissions tab on the top navigation bar, then click Our Schools. Once on this page, click the rightmost Learn More button underneath the high school bio. When the next page loads, you will see a capitalized and underlined link titled Online Application Form. Click it. When the new page loads, go ahead and click on Create an Account. Enter your first name, last name, a valid email, and a password. Then click Create Account. Once on this page, go ahead and click on Begin Admissions Process. When you find yourself at this step, go ahead and fill out all the information requested for the next few pages. When you get to the academic school year, be sure to use the 2026-2027 school year. You will choose between a recommendation from a math or reading teacher. This will be important for later on in the process. In this section, you will be filling out your child's current school information. Once you've reached page 5, it is important that your child fills out the questionnaires themselves. On the following page, feel free to take back over the application process and fill in the parent survey. When you hit page 9, you have reached the end of the first part of the application process. Please fill in your payment information, then click Pay. Congratulations! First part is over. Our system needs about 30 minutes to process everything. After at least 30 minutes has passed, go ahead and refresh the page and find yourself back at the admissions process homepage. Click Continue Admissions Process. Here, you will upload a photo of your applicant. Next, you will provide information to your child's current school offices for their academic records. Next, you'll provide your child's current principal's information for recommendation. Lastly, you will provide either your child's math or reading teacher information for recommendation. And that's it. You've done your part, and we will take it from here, contacting you about the next steps. Thanks for watching.